Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, and you know what that means. We are going to take you behind the scenes to show you what's in the shop here at Blackout Tinting. Before we do that, I want to talk about one other Wednesday, though. So the Wednesday right before Thanksgiving, we've teamed up with Sunrise Church in Greensburg for a Thanksgiving outreach, and we do this every year, and basically we sponsor it. All of our employees help with it as well, but we're going to be cooking turkeys and mashed potatoes and stuffing and fresh home-cooked Thanksgiving meals. We're going to deliver it within a 10-mile radius, totally free. We want to try to feed 1,000 people this year, which is double what we did last year of 500. So check that out. John will put the link in this video. If you or somebody that you know might be in need of that and you're local to us, make sure you get signed up. Anyhow, cars. That's what we're here for. Behind me is a Toyota 4Runner. This one got paint protection film on the whole front end, the hood, the fenders, the front bumper, and the mirrors. Now it's getting polished and ceramic coated, and it also got some window tints. So that one will be ready in the next couple of days. Over here on the lift, you guys are sick of looking at it. It's the Saturn Sky with the pink chrome wrap. We've been working on this as we have time. It is finally going home today. A couple finishing touches, getting it fully cleaned up, and then we're trailering it back to our good friend Wes. So that thing looks ridiculous outside. Maybe John will get it outside before we post this. We'll see. And back there's a 993 Porsche. This one's also been here for a while. It was getting paint protection film. We finally had a chance this week to get caught up on a bunch of stuff, and that one's done and ready to go home today also. Over here's a cool car. We didn't do anything to it, but it's our friend Gene's. He let us borrow it for our trunk or treat event. This is a Plymouth Prowler. You don't see these things very often. I am 100% certain I had a couple of Hot Wheels that looked just like that when I was a kid. Right in front of the Prowler is a Lexus IS something, 300, 350 F Sport. Cool car. Got some paint protection film on the wear and tear package, as well as an interior trim piece and an 8-year ceramic coating. And in the wash bay, we've got a vehicle we're just doing a wash and a little bit of touch-up paint for on an STI. Not a ton going on this week at this shop, mostly because Aaron and Caleb are both out of here at our Miami store because we were so busy there, we needed some backup. So we were able to move some people around. In the tint bay, Terrell's working on a Ram. Over here is a Golf R. This one's here for some vinyl work, which we don't do a ton of anymore, but we're wrapping the mirrors and doing stripe down the side of it for our friend Trevor, and it's getting a ceramic coating as well. I've bought so many 944 parts off of Trevor when I was a teenager. It's not even funny. Trevor was a big Porsche guy. I think he still is. I'm not sure if we've introduced Patrick's Raptor yet, but Patrick, one of our ceramic coaters here that's been with us for a long time, just bought a new Raptor. Absolutely beautiful truck. And this is the star of the Latrobe show today. This is a Ferrari Roma. And I believe it is the first Ferrari Roma we've ever had in any store, so that's always an exciting day for us. We like working on new stuff. This one's here for a full paint protection film wrap, window tint, and a ceramic coating. I want to show you guys something special on this. First of all, I want to show you the interior because I like it. But also, this grille, this is painted, which means it must be protected. I don't know how many holes, although I should count, that we have to line up every single edge. I don't. Aaron and Max do. And then make sure that it's laid perfectly and it's trimmed perfectly and it's heated perfectly. They have a pattern for this from XPEL, thankfully, but we're gonna see how tight it fits. That's gonna be one of the more challenging pieces we've ever done. So, also, if you guys haven't seen a key on a new Ferrari yet, I know the SF90 had it and the Roma does as well. They switched from the red key to this, I guess. Maybe they still have a red key as a valet, I don't know, but super cool. And the SF90, there's a slot for this in the car that it looks like it is part of the dash. I'm not sure on this one. I haven't studied it that much yet, but check out this interior. It's a navy blue and black with white stitching, and there's just something about the way that Ferrari designs their interiors that as soon as you look at it, you know it's Italian, and it's beautiful. All right, enough drooling over the Ferrari. Over here, we've got an annual inspection on a Mustang, and I believe that's it for what's happening in Latrobe. North Pittsburgh slammed, Miami's busy, St. Louis is starting to get busy as well, so let's see what's happening at those three.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a tour through our North Pittsburgh shop.
Outside, we have this 2021 Volkswagen Jetta. This one in for our Prime XR window tint on the sides, back, and visor. Next up, we have another vehicle here from our good friend Steve. This is getting some miscellaneous paint protection film, our wear and tear package along with the luggage kit. You can see that Ian did tint this vehicle yesterday. This got our 20% Prime XR tint on the sides and the back, and this is next in line to get a ceramic coating later on this week. Next up is this Jeep Gladiator. This one has the back section factory tinted. We're going to be tinting the two fronts and 20% to match everything up. Certainly our biggest vehicle of the week is this Jayco RV. This is getting some paint protection film. You can see the hood is popped right now. allowing the edge of the film to dry. We're gonna wrap that up here in about an hour or two. Also did the fender tips along with these pillars that stick out and just eat up rocks as this thing travels across the country. We're going to be ceramic coating part of the vehicle as well, which we don't usually do, but on a vehicle like this, it is okay. So from this molding over here up, all of that will be coated. You can see that this is not a small vehicle again, so cleaning off bugs on that top portion mainly is not an easy task. We're going to get that polished and coated for the customer to make that a whole lot easier on them. Also, what's in the shop today? Strogue. In the wash bay, we have this BMW X5. This one from our good friends at Sewickley Car Store. This one is getting some paint protection film on the full hood and the side view mirror caps. Another BMW, this one an M850. This one got some paint protection film on the mirrors, the wear and tear, and the front bumper. We also tinted the side windows and the back window. And later on this week, we'll be polishing out all this paint and coating the entire vehicle. In the tint bay, we have a BMW X5M. This seems to be BMW week here in Gibsonia. This one is getting the visor along with the side and back windows done in our Prime CS 5% tint. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this S580. As you can see, he's taking the wheels off right now, getting those all cleaned and coated. Next up is polishing out the paint and coating the entire vehicle. We also did a full front clip on this vehicle, hood, fenders, mirrors, and front bumper. Last but not least is a completed ceramic coating. You can see this one on a Chevy Silverado. Got the whole thing polished out and coated all exterior surfaces.
That's all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. Reporting live from Miami. Let's go have a look inside, see what our guys are working on today.
All right, over here in our tinting bay, we have Alfredo working on this 2022 Lamborghini Urus. Customer came in for some XPEL tint, going with 5% on the windows, 55% on the windshield. She's looking pretty good. In our PPF bay, we have Aaron working on this beautiful Bronco convertible. It's here for a full XPEL wrap. We also have this brand new 2024 BMW X6 being wrapped. He's doing a full front clip along with the doors. Then we got this 2020 Range Rover SVR, very nice vehicle. We have our ceramic pro Caleb visiting us from Pittsburgh. Right now he's getting ready to do this wheel. Already did most of the vehicle. She's looking nice.
Hey, Michael here with Blackout Tinting St. Louis. Let's take a look at what's in the shop today. In our PPF bay, we have this 2002 BMW M5 getting some PPF removal. In our tent bay, we have this 2023 Cadillac Escalade getting some XR Plus ceramic film. And in our ceramic coating bay, we have Tyler doing a full paint correction, ready to get our 8-year Fusion ceramic coating.